Parang may gustong sumali, no? Sa interview.
Marami kasing alaga na dog si Sir dito sa unit yan. Yun pa guys. Pet-friendly ang Maple at Verdant Tower. Yan. Perfecto sa inyo kung mahilig kayo sa pets. Yan.
Okay.
So, andito sila actually. Yan.
Regardless of the situation.
Okay.
Parang
It's really the best time to invest.
hello sir, good evening.
Okay.
So, dito na naman tayo for another video.
Yeah.
Right now, nasaan tayo ngayon sir?
Actually, nandito tayo sa Maple at Verdant Towers.
Yes.
Saan ba to? Sa Pasig.
Pasig.
Visitas, di ba? So,
So,
very accessible. So, ano nga ba ang gagawin natin ngayon?
so, magkakaroon tayo ng guest sir ngayon. Siya ang unit owner kung nasaan tayo nag-shoot ngayon.
Owner,
so,
itong bahay
yes,
na to.
yes, itong mismong
Itong
itong
unit na
setup natin ngayon sir. Sa kanya mismo tong unit na to. So,
Okay.
let's welcome our guest. Pasok. Sir, may guest. Hello sir, good evening sir. Thank you po sa pagpapatuloy niyo sa amin dito sa sa inyong tahanan. Sir, good evening. May mga questions lang naman kami. Very basic question lang naman to. So,
I hope hindi tayo nakaka-istorbo kay sir. no?
nakaka-istorbo ba kayo?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Yung unang pasok ko pa lang sir kanina dito sa unit niya, manghang-mangha ako kasi sobrang ganda.
Kaya nga.
Well designed, well interior talaga siya.
Well, I heard, talagang siya lang din ang nag-design.
Oo. Totoo ba yun sir na ikaw
Yes,
lang dito? Wow,
yeah.
ang ganda sir.
It's a personal touch.
Oo.
That's why medyo nakikita niya talaga ano yan. All in my mind lang.
Paano kayo nagka-idea sir na ganito maging setup ng unit?
Well, just to give an ano lang with the future buyers nyo, no. Actually very accessible na ngayon yung mga Pinterest, mga ganyan. So you can easily access those kind of designs na gugustuhin mo. Then just have to enhance na lang.
Bakit nga ba Maple ang kinuha niyo sir as unit owner po?
Ino-orient ako during the time. Nagustuhan ko yung facade number 1 ni Maple and the location itself. Kasi it's a very good location number 1, no? Tapos pangalawa is yung development itself. No? Maganda talaga siya. Very enticing, especially if you have your family. Very futuristic yung dating. Kasi to give an idea, we're going to have parang redevelopment in this area. So this is going to be the next parang connecting with the other estate development.
So, yung buong Tiendesitas yun, sir.
Kasi walking distance lang from here yung Tiendesitas no sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Parang may gustong sumali, no? Sa interview.
Marami kasing alaga na dog si sir dito sa unit niya. No? Yun pa guys. Pet-friendly ang Maple at Verdant Tower. Yan. So unlike the other developers, yan. Perfecto sa inyo kung mahilig kayo sa pets. Yan.
Okay.
So andito sila actually. Yan.
Can you say something? So, ano yung specific na feature ng amenity?
Actually, yung very relaxed when you go to the swimming pool. It's not the usual type ng swimming pool lang na punta ka doon. Pero ito kasi medyo resort type yung dating niya. So, yun yung ano niya. Hindi
gusto ko
mo ganun kalaki, pero very appealing, no? Lalo na sa family, ganyan. Maganda yung amenities niya, actually.
If you don't mind sir, kailan na turn over itong tower and yung unit nyo mismo po?
Actually, yung unit ko, na-turnover siya ng July.
This last year
Last
po.
year.
2025.
Kaya,
Yes.
ang pasok ko, ang may bago talaga.
Actually, lahat. From elevator, lobby, sir.
Yes.
When it comes to security, ang maganda dito, sir, hindi ka kagad makakakyat sa unit kasi tatawag muna sa lobby, the guards. Tatawag muna sa unit owners kung guest ba nila yung papasok.
Kanina yung
Diba?
pag-park ko, akala ko hindi ako makapag-park.
Kasi, di ba, kung malalaman mo kung mataas ang security ng isang property, kung sa lobby pa lang, hinaharang ka na.
Yes,
That's perfect
correct.
for our...
Actually, very yung safety niya. Very maganda yung safety ng building.
Right? So, kumusta naman yung buying experience mo, sir?
When it comes to buying experience, very friendly yung binigay sa amin na payment terms.
With the yan, sir, dun sa developer, which is Ortigas.
Yes, may down payment lang siya na very minimal. So, makaka-move in ka na. So,
Bali yung na-avail kasi ni sir na payment term dito, nag-down lang siya, nakapag-move in na siya. Very minimal down payment. Tama ba, sir?
Yes.
Yan. So, sa mga gustong kumuha din ng Maple, yan. Perfecto sa inyo kasi minimal lang down payment, pwede nyo nang lipatan. And when it comes to documents, sir, ano mang nire-require sa inyo as buyer?
the usual stuff, no? Na
Yeah.
ID, valid IDs, ganyan. Yung basic.
Hindi naman sila mahigpit sa
Hindi
Ortigas.
sila
na
ganun
lang.
ka-tedious, no?
So, hindi mahirap magbasa.
Hindi siya mahirap. Hindi siya
Parang meron lang akong konting questions na meron bang hesitations bago kayo nag-decide? Parang hesitations na, kukunin ko ba to o hindi?
Actually, wala. When I first saw the property kasi, nagustuhan ko na siya. Kasi prior to this, meron na rin akong property sa ibang developer. Pero iba talaga yung feel pag Ortigas eh. Iba yung
Yung
ano yan, yung parang vibes niya.
ambience,
Iba,
ganyan
iba,
sa
iba talaga. Kumbaga, you can compare it with the other developers na high-end. Siya ganun kataas. As compared with the others.
So swak na swak pala talaga.
Oo, actually.
Malalaki ang cuts ni Ortigas
Yes,
Land, sir, unlike the other developers na parang 3 tao lang kasya. Dito pa lang sa unit mo, sir, ilang square meter po ito?
89.
89, 3 bedrooms, right, sir?
2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms with 89 square meter.
Ang gusto ko sanang i-request na ikutin, kaya lang hindi natin
to-
pwede
ah,
ikutin.
perfect to sa end user, sir. Yan. Kung end use ka, syempre ang kailangan mo malaking cuts kasi hindi mo
Yes,
nakaka-
Pang pamilya
Ang
talaga.
Pang pamilya talaga.
Pang-pamilya. In fact, napakalapit na sa lahat. May mga churches. May ganun. As I mentioned a while ago, yung property ni itong East Ortigas, we're going to have a development. Magkakaroon ng mga hotel components, mga
Wow.
ganyan.
That was,
Tapos meron na ngayon existing na church, which is yung CCF.
Yes.
And then magkakaroon din ng Catholic Church, mga ganyan. So, I mean, everything is already in this area. Parang,
Everything is within the reach, kumbaga, sir, no?
yes.
So, sa tingin mo, sir, para kanino kaya ang Maple at Verdant?
Actually, I would say Maple is really for family oriented talaga, na buyers, no? Kasi number one, pet friendly, maganda yung amenities, no? Even my kids, no, they enjoy the gym, the swimming pool,
Yes.
the entertainment room. They can actually, they always bring their friends here. So nag-enjoy sila sa billiard hall, mga ganon. So, yan siya, very friendly, very family-oriented ang
So,
Maple.
hindi siya, sir, sa mga visitors naman, sir, hindi naman, okay lang naman sa...
Yung strict, gano'n? Hindi ba
Yeah,
masyadong
masyado
strict?
lang. We just have
Ipapaalam.
to inform them na meron tayong bisita, which is the usual stuff. Na,
Which is good naman, sir, di ba?
Oh, yun yung
Parang
dinaanan
sa atin, di ba?
Yun eh, yeah.
Yun yung dinaanan natin kanya na security.
Yes. For the security
Protocols.
purposes, yes.
Okay, so for the people listening right now,
Yes. And watching also.
yeah,
Wala na sa radyo.
watching.
Yes.
So yung mga nag-iisip na bibili ba o hindi pa, ano kayang may advice mo?
I think this is the best time to buy.
Mm.
Kasi whether the situation of the economics is not good or it's good or bad, real estate is still number one. Parang in your mind, where to put the money.
Yeah.
Kasi regardless of the current situation, your money will really grow, would really appreciate as compared with the other investment. You know, kasi with real estate kasi, it's a worry-free investment because number one, you're in a good developer. That's number one. And then properties really, no matter what happens, it's going to appreciate
Yes.
over time.
Yes.
Even over time, at least long term.
Talagang
Long
eventually,
term, yes.
eventually.
Oo, kasi fluctuating, you'll have your investment grow
Yeah.
regardless of the situation.
Correct.
Parang,
It's really the best time to
Yeah.
invest. in
kumbaga,
real estate.
ang lagi natin to naririnig, sir, when it comes to real estate, the best time to buy is today.
Today is
Laging
now.
yan, today, now.
Huwag ka nang, alam mo na, yung mag-iisip pa kung bibili ba o hindi
hindi.
pa.
Kung if you have your extra money, then why not
What?
put
Why
the
not
money
invest?
there? Like I myself, no, I bought a studio at 3.5 million. Now I was able to sell it at 6 million. Mga ganun.
Ganun talaga ang mangyari, magdodoble, triple pa talaga.
That's why it's really good to invest in a real estate.
Yes.
You just have to wait talaga.
Siguro ang last na lang natin no, para hindi mo masyadong istorbo si sir. So in one sentence, paano mo ma-describe ang Maple at Verdant?
Quality. Because the workmanship, no? I've been here for like couple of months pa lang and yet I've seen parang yung, ano niya, yung pagkaka-deliver niya sa amin. Happy naman kami in terms of, like, if you notice in my unit, wala akong masyadong woodworks na ginawa. Kasi with the other developer or development na condominium, you have to enhance the walling, parang gano'n. Dito hindi na kasi. You just have to put in some
Furniture.
furniture pieces, mga ganon, mga appliances that would match to the unit itself.
Wala yung parang modification talaga na very,
Like,
very,
even the CR, parang okay na siya. You don't need to add up anything pa. Parang yung money na binayaran is really worth it. That's why I said, what?
So yun nga yung palagi kong sinasabi na kailangan, hindi ka lang sa una excited. Kailangan long-term excitement.
Excitement. Ang
And
meron ka.
magpapasalamat ka talaga na binili ko ito.
Yung property.
Yung property na ito.
That's
Kasi worth it yung
Investment.
Yes,
Yes.
that's right.
So, lahat yan mag-run into investment. Kasi in the
Yes.
future, sir, malay mo, ibenta mo rin
Yeah.
to.
Oh,
Siyempre,
yes,
mabibenta
sir.
mo rin
For
to in
sure.
higher price to, sir.
For sure. Kasi it's not the only residential condo that we're going to build in this area. Actually, Maple is we'll have 2 towers to develop.
So, currently, isang tower pa lang to, sir.
Ito pala yung
Yes.
So, I'm sure pag may mga upcoming buyers in the next towers, iba na yung price.
Price, most like, yeah,
Yes.
definitely tataas talaga
Yeah.
yung value. So, do you have any questions, sir?
I think yun na kasi
Ayun na,
parang
all
kakain
goods
na
na
yata tayo.
So, thank you, sir, for
salamat,
guesting
salamat.
to our
Yeah, thank you also.
third
for
show.
listening to our podcast.
Thank you,
So,
sir.
thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah, see you guys next to our next video. Bye.
Bye.